If your house fixtures start with good water pressure but then drop fast while your garden hose and water tank show super high pressure like 110 psi, you're probably dealing with a busted pressure reducing valve. So, here's the lowdown on fixing that pressure drama. First, check if your pressure reducing valve is before or after the shutoff valve. It can look weird sometimes, especially if you can't peek behind walls, but the flow usually goes top to bottom. If your garden hose spigot pressure is sky high, but your indoor fixtures dip quickly, the PRV is likely failing to regulate pressure properly. You can try adjusting the PRV screw if it's accessible, but if the pressure still bounces or stays high outside and low inside, it's time to replace that valve. When swapping it out, make sure to shut off the main water supply to avoid a mess. Also, don't forget to flush the system after replacing the PRV to clear any debris that might clog things up. If you're unsure about the setup or the valve location because of hidden pipes, grab a plumber to double check and avoid any costly mistakes. Lastly, keep an eye on your water pressure regularly with a gauge you can clip onto your hose spigot. That way, you catch issues early before they mess with your whole home's flow. One of the biggest problems with water pressure issues is ignoring the PRV even though it's the main culprit for pressure drops inside the house. Most people just blame faucets or pipes, but swapping out a bad PRV fixes it fast. Another common mistake is thinking that high external pressure means your indoor pressure should be high too. That confusion leads to buying fancy fixtures when the valve is what's broken. Lastly, some folks try adjusting the wrong valve or don't shut off water completely before replacing parts, which ends up causing leaks or damage. Always shut off water first and know the flow direction before tinkering. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their way around tricky plumbing stuff like PRVs. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors to connect with folks needing real help on home projects without all the hassle of cold calls or random leads.